Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to go through what is the best focal length for portraits. Alright, let's get started. We are starting out outside and we are taking 3 photos per focal length, full body, half body and close-up. And all of the photos that you're seeing are JPEGs that are not edited, they are straight out of camera. Now let's compare the different focal lengths for the full body shots. So one thing that Karin mentioned, and I really agree, is that the wide focal length, such as 24 and 50, makes her look shorter compared to the long lenses. Another cool effect that you can see, which always happens with longer lenses, is that the background appears to be closer to the subject, as you can see on the 135 and 200 mm pictures. Alright, so let's see the half body pictures. For me, the clear winner is the 85 mm. Just also want to mention that this is not a scientific test. Sometimes I wasn't in the exact spot when I took these photos, and she also moved sometimes. But I think this gives more or less a feeling of what the focal length is doing. All right, let's go to the tight shots. For the close-up, I think the 135 mm looks the best on her. Write down in the comments what you guys think. That was it from the outside shoot. I mean, obviously the 24 was really wide distorted, but it was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's go inside and take some shots. So I can just start by saying that Karin wasn't that happy with the indoor shoots, and there are a few reasons for this. I mean, it was darker, the light wasn't as nice as it was outside, and also we have a lot of color issues, and we are getting a red color cast from the walls. Of course, that won't look good on her skin as well. And here you can also really see that she looks really short on the 24, but I don't know if that was my fault. It's a little bit harder when you really shoot with 24 mm, the angle that you're gonna hold. It won't be on the eye line, but it's really obvious. I mean, look how tall she looks at the 85 mm compared to the 24. But as I said, this is not scientific, so it could be my fault as well. But I think it has to do with the focal length as well. So that's something to keep in mind whenever you're taking photographs. And here I really actually like the 24, the way it looks. It looks like it could be taken for a Vogue magazine or something, fashion magazine. I really like how, you know, the distorted look that it gives her. It looks really cool if you want that. And as you can see, I mean, the other lenses looks a little bit more proper. And same here, I really like the look the 24 mm gives. I mean, it's distorted, but I think it looks really cool on her. And one thing that you will be able to see on the close-ups here, that the skin doesn't look as soft. And the reason why is that she's not wrapped with as much light as she was outside, hence the harsher skin. If you like this episode, please subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And subscribe to her as well.
Yeah, thanks.
On TikTok. And
yeah.
You know, write down which one you like the best. I mean, for me, was 85 above.
Yeah, same here.
Looked good.
Yeah.
24 and 50 wasn't the best focal length.
No.
But I don't know. Maybe on somebody else it looks better, but yeah, it's just too distorted for a portrait.
Yeah. Yeah. Comment down below which picture I should use for my LinkedIn profile.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Vi klippa ihop den.
Exakt.
Men så här är det när jag är i TikTok också. Då blir det så här lite långt. Och sen får man liksom typ ta bort så här